We talk, we chat, we laugh. You make it all seem easy, but under every joke you crack, I'm shrinking down, uneasy. You brush off every honest ask, turn my heart into a story. I'm standing here with empty hands, still begging you for glory. Do you even love me? You say you're scared to lose me, but you don't act like it. You don't move like it. Oh, you say you really love me, but you don't feel like it. Is this love or just a habit? 'Cause I'm so confused. Do you even love me? I help you when you're drowning, even when I'm running dry. I dig for one more little spark, just to put that smile on your face. But when I finally need you back, you turn my heart into a punchline. Laugh it off like I was playing, like my hurt is just a game. Do you even love me? You say you're scared to lose me, but you don't act like it. You don't move like it. No, you say you really love me, but you don't feel like it. Is this love or just a habit? 'Cause I'm so confused. Do you even love me? Is it fear? Is it comfort? Are you staying? Are you here? If I walked out in the morning, would you finally make it clear? I'm tired of guessing in the dark, of begging for a simple truth. If this is how you show your heart, maybe I should choose me too.